In this question, it's given that the cost for up to 75 message units is 20% less than $10. All right. Again, notice over here, we are talking about the monthly charge for low use telephone contract. So that's a particular type of contract. Now in the standard rate is 10, but in this particular contract up to 75 messages, the cost is 20% less than $10. All right. And then in excess of 75 units, for each unit the cost is $0.065. Now we have to find out the cost for 95 message units. So that's the question. Now 20% less than 10 is nothing but 8, right? 20% less than 10 is 100 minus 20, which is 80% of 10, right? Which is equal to 8. So over here we get that up to 75 messages the cost is $8. So that's 10 minus 20% of 10, which is 8. All right. Now in excess of 75, which is 0.065. So the total messages sent over here is 95. Now 95 is 75 plus 20. So for these 75 messages, the cost is $8. So that's what we have found over here. Now for the remaining 20, it's 20 into 0.065, right? So that's the cost. Now we just need to add these up and we can find the answer. So 20 into 0.0625, that's equal to 1.3. So the answer is 8 plus $1.3, which is equal to $9.3, which is answer option A. Now let's check what is being tested in this question. Over here, you should know what it means when you say X percentage less than Y. So that's something that you should know. And then this question tests your ability to read words and convert them to variables and equations and solve it. And this is a typical question. You will see this type of question repeating again and again in the official guide, where you have a fixed cost and then you have a variable cost. So you need to apply this, right? You need to apply the fixed cost up to the particular limit, and then for the remaining part you should find the variable cost and find the total cost. So this is a common type question. Now again, remember X percentage less. How do you do that? If you have 10 and you want to reduce it by 20 or let's say 30%. So 100% is 10. If you reduce it by 30%, you're left with 70%, and then you just need to find 70% of 10, which is equal to 7. All right. So that's again something that you should know. Now do check the description to know more about my GMAT Math live bootcamp, my one-day workshops and other programs, and do subscribe to this channel to get notified when I release my next video. All the best in your preparation.